Our lineup includes gelatin, cornstarch, pudding mix, cream of tartar, and milk powder. Since gelatin seems like the most recommended online, so I made it first but try to have all done within 30 minutes to keep it a decently fair competition. During all the whipping and piping, I tasted, made notes, and ended up with 2 large containers of leftover whipped cream. Hopefully my belly can handle it. Anyhow, the first ranking is texture. The smoothest and best for piping is gelatin, while the rest is kinda gritty, but the worst is absolutely the plain whipped cream. I wasn't sure what actually happened scientifically, but cornstarch mixture produced the largest in volume. The pudding mixture turned slightly yellow, which possibly because of vanilla or other additives. Now for the taste, the best tasting one hands down was the pudding mixture. That makes sense because pudding is a complete dish with vanilla and maybe some other enhancer as well, while all other stabilizers are just ingredients. The one I probably never want to make again was with cream of tartar. I didn't like its taste at all, probably because of its tartness. Last and most important came the durability test. This took 4 hours. For the setup, I left them in a small enclosed room with initial temperature at 74 degrees Fahrenheit. A heater was placed and set to 90 degrees. Oh no, leak was everywhere! Except for pudding and gelatin, the rest are leaking. The plain and surprisingly the milk powder severely runny, while the cornstarch and cream of tartar just started leaking. Pudding was the only one did not deflate it. Looks like the fight will be just between pudding and gelatin. Oh, at 3-hour mark, the gelatin started to leak while the rest looked horrible, except pudding still holding on. At this point, we already had a clear winner, but I wanted to give it another hour. Finally, after 4 hours, the pudding gave out. That was truly impressive. And that, along with its flavor, pudding earns the only S-tier spot for its superiority. The yellow color can be fixed easily with a few drops of white food coloring and it would be perfect. Even though it took a couple more steps to prepare the gelatin, it deserves in the A tier for the smooth texture and durability. Of course, the plain one takes the bottom spot in the F tier. There you have it, pudding is the way to go. That's it friend, if you enjoyed the video, please consider supporting my small channel by doing the above. Thank you so much, you have a wonderful day, bye bye.